Sister Shayla, will you lead us in prayer this morning, please?
Lord, I thank you for the faith. Thank you for the small stars, Lord. Thank you for our strength. I ask that you continue to watch over us, continue to lift things up for us like the our day. Amen.
All right, go ahead and take out your homework, your bell ringers on the board, and let's get today going. Homework from last night, it was,
With the application in?
the application. You didn't do it? All right, go ahead, do it. All right, here we homework. Here we homework. Our objectives today is to evaluate molecular mass and evaluate molar mass. And we're going to compare the two. We're also going to learn about Avogadro's number. For your bell ring this morning, you're going to look on page 43 and you're going to complete the critical review numbers 2 and 3. So we got bell rings going. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. How many moles of hydrogen are in molecules or in hydrogen 2? So if there's two H2, how many molecules are in hydrogen? Yellow, please. How many hydrogens are there in H2? Two. Alright, is everyone about done with their bell ringer? Alright, well, can I get a volunteer to read number 2 for me, please?
How many molecules of hydrogen are in 1 mole of H2?
Alright. How many hydrogens are in H2? How many?
2.
2. How do we know it's 2? How do we know it's 2? It said it's what? It gave it to you, right? That little subscript number at the bottom, H2. Can somebody read number 3 for me, please? Sister Shirley, can you read number 3? All right, and what is molar mass? What you got for the definition of molar mass?
Associate is the mass per mole of substance.
Yes, the substance is the mass of per mole per substance. All right, so we're gonna get in that today. Let's review our homework. Go ahead and take your homework out. Can I get a volunteer to put A on the board? 3A. From your homework that I just handed back to you, can I get a volunteer to put 3A? All right, thank you, Brother Gary. You can go ahead and put 3A. Sister Savannah, B, and Janiyah, go ahead and put 3C. Somebody can utilize our Promethean board and put it up here. Should we do an A? Who I asked you? Who's gonna read?
Me.
All right, then you come on and do C up here on this board over here. You got your homework. Put your homework up on the board.
It wouldn't. I didn't see it at first. Like,
Okay.
what is it?
The marker is right there on the board. All right, make sure you check your homework with the ones that are up on the board.
Do we need to show how we got the answer?
Yes, show how you got the answer. Always show your work.
You doing it wrong.
Hmm?
You doing it wrong.
You computed it right, but you got the wrong answer.
So, these are right.
Hmm? Yes, sir, those are absolutely right. How did you do on yours? So you got them all right. You could have volunteered on that for me. All right, go ahead and let's check yours out. 27, cholesterol. 16. You got 29. When you did 27 times 12, what's 27 times 12? Your calculator. Put your calculator on 27 times 12.
back and double check yours too on yours. Make sure you said 27 times 12. Use your calculator to do that.
Are you finished, Brother Garion?
I need my periodic table every I know what I'm doing, I just want to get shown right.
You're right. NCFH, what? C, height 1.008. Alright, xenon, fluorine. Alright, good job, sweetheart.
You got it.
When I make, you can catch that. Alright, good job, sweetie. Go ahead and have a seat. Alright, did everybody double check their answers from their homework? And did you get the same thing that you see up on the board? Did everyone understand molecular mass? First of all, what is a molecule?
It's animal like more one.
Two or more atoms of one element. Why do we even care about this? Why are we learning about this? Alright, you remember the other night when we did our homework and we went and we looked and we searched those chemical formulas? Y'all remember that? Does anybody have that with them? When we searched those chemical formulas and you went to see what chemical formulas were in the things that you use on your daily basis. Alright, so what was an example of yours, Garion?
I did my own spice lotion.
On your Old Spice lotion, what was a formula that was in there that you could recognize? Water.
H2O.
So dihydrogen oxide, right? Dihydrogen oxide. Let me ask you this question. It was in your Old Spice lotion or your Old Spice deodorant? What, the Old Spice? It was in your lotion. Do you want your lotion real heavy or real light? You want it sort of heavy. I don't want no cheap lotion that's real light. Can we get an agreement on that you want your lotion sort of thick? So the reason why that we find molecular and molar mass of different chemicals, we want to see how dense it is and how heavy it's going to be. Girls, can I ask you this? When you put a serum on your hair, do you want it heavy or light? I want, well, okay, y'all natural. If I'm getting ready to do a silk press, do you want it heavy or light? Light. So you may find a chemical bond that does what you want it to do, but it may be too heavy, okay? Or it may be too light. So that's why we're finding the molecular and molar mass. So today, we're gonna move on to evaluate molar mass. Once we do this together, then you're gonna break off in groups and you're gonna work on it together. We're gonna do a live worksheet in class. We'll complete that, all right? So everybody, if you would, turn with me to page 43. So we learned what a molecule was. Now we're going to learn what a mole is. Y'all see avocado? What is avocado's number?
Is it with parentheses?
It's 6.0223. All right, everybody see avocado's number? Can you take your finger and put it on there for me, please? is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Everybody see that? You see that, Brother Isaiah? If you would put your finger on that, and let's put that on the avocados number. Now, he was the scientist who came up how to weigh atoms, okay? And he said that you can weigh atoms in what's called moles. Now, when you find your molecular mass, you're going to find your molecular mass very similar as if you did your molar mass. So let's jump right on into it. Let's look at the example on page 44. Will somebody read that for me in example 3.5? Savannah, will you read that for me, please? The example on 3.5.
What is the mass of 0.40 moles of copper atom?
So they said how many moles of it was it? Alright, so this is the thing. Whenever you measure molar mass, you measure it in moles. That's the same as if I'm measuring my weight. What do I measure my weight in? What SI unit do I measure my weight in?
Pounds.
Do I weigh 100 inches?
Pounds.
I weigh what?
Pounds.
Pounds. Alright?